Maraming salamat po ma'am sa pagpunta sa aming clinic. May ask po, ano po yung naging experience nyo to take our surgery po?
Hello guys, good afternoon. So I'm here at Diva Clinic, Diliman, Quezon City. So I'm one of the patients here. So I have a problem with my vagina. So I gave birth 3 kids, and then I was just like, I feel scared of doing this, but when I know, nung nalaman ko na yung clinic na to is nag-offer ng good quality and a good service, so hindi na ako nagdalawang isip na pumunta dito. I was afraid of doing this service, but kasi dahil sa cast ko, and then dahil na rin sa tahi ko, may tahi ako sa vagina ko, and then so I hesitate going here because there's a lot of problems in my vagina, and then hindi ko alam kung after ba ng procedure na yun makakapag-work ako kasi I'm a single mom and working mom. So I have 3 kids na binubuhay pa, and I want to continue my working while doing that procedure. So after that, so guys, pinag-isipan ko mabuti kung gagawin ko ba yung procedure na to. And then I browsed different platforms sa social media para makahanap ng best clinic for that procedure. So, hindi na ako ng dalawang isip. Nung first time ko na chinek yung Diva, madami naman silang good reviews, and I think that's the best clinic that I want to do that procedure. So, I've been thinking of this so many times, and then I came across the Facebook and saw the Diva Beauty Clinic. So, hindi na ako ng dalawang isip na puntahan agad ito. And then, nung pagpasok ko sa clinic na yun, sobrang ganda ng ambience niya, and then napakalinis. So, kinakabahan ako that time pagpasok ko. But then, nung nakausap ko yung doktor, gumaan yung pakiramdam ko at nawala yung kaba ko. So, habang nasa procedure na ako, sobrang chill lang ako, walang pain na nararamdaman, and the doctor was very good. And so, matagal ko na doon pinag-iisipan. And sana pala, pinuntahan ko to ng maaga para masolusyonan agad yung problema ko. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Beauty Diva Clinic because I was satisfied and I really love the outcome of the procedure. So thank you Doc and all the staffs of Diva Clinic. I hope you visit Diva Clinic and book your appointment now. Thank you!